In this quick video, I'll show you how to open a RAR file by using WinRAR. Secondly, I will show you how to create a RAR file with WinRAR. To open this RAR file, go to your browser, search for WinRAR. Click on this link right here. Now download this application by clicking on this link. This is a free application. You don't have to pay to use this app. Just scroll down again, click on this download icon. So here is the setup.exe. Just click on that. Click yes if you're notified. Install it. Click on OK and done. In case you don't get the WinRAR icon, just right click on it. Go to Properties. Click on Change. Then select WinRAR. Click on Set Default. Apply. OK. So now you can see that this icon has been changed to WinRAR icon. So now we're going to extract this file. I'm going to show you three methods. First method is to highlight on it, right click on it, scroll down to WinRAR, then select extract here. Now the content of this RAR file will be extracted to the current location. Another way you can do this is to double click on it, go on to extract to, select the specific location where you want the file to be extracted to. In this case, if I want it to be extracted to the download, I'm just going to highlight on download and click on OK. So if I check my download, you can see that the file has been extracted to the downloads. Once you're done with the extraction, you can close this. So I'm going to delete this one. Another method is to double click on the RAR file, highlight on the content and drag it. Okay, this is the easiest way to get it done. Now I'm going to show you how to create a RAR file. First of all, let me delete this one. I want to put these two files in a RAR file or a zip file. How do we do that? Just highlight on it, right click, now go on to WinRAR, then select Add to Archive. Here, on the archive name, you can actually change the name right here to any name of your choice. So I'm just going to put file sample.rar. So here's the format. We have RAR and we have zip file. RAR and zip file are actually similar. There's not much difference. Okay, but I'm going to leave it on RAR and click on OK. Now we can see we've just created a RAR file, and that is as simple as that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.